Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are reviewing this tire here. This is the Falken Wildpeak AT Trail tire, and this is going to go on a 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid two-wheel drive. And this is the largest tire I can put on the Maverick without lifting it. It is a 245/65 R17. So what we are going to do is I'm going to measure the ride height of the Maverick, and then I'm going to put the tires on the wheels. I'm going to record how much weight each of these tires put on. We have a road force balancer here, so it's the best balancer for these tires. And then I'm gonna put the tires on, remeasure ride height, see how much taller we got with these tires, and I'm going to drive the vehicle and see how these tires are affecting the ride of the vehicle, the miles per gallon, and all that will be recorded in the video. That way you'll know exactly what you get if you're looking at the Falken Wildpeak tires for your car. So stick around for all that. So these are the Continental tires that came on the truck from the factory. And as we know, factory tires are nothing but a compromise on durability and performance and comfort. So I'm gonna measure from the ground. I got a little piece of tape right here on the fender. I'm gonna measure just from the ground to that piece of tape, and we're gonna see where we at here. So it looks like we're about 32 3/4 or about 83.5 centimeters for ride height. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the tires on, and then we're gonna remeasure after we put the tires on, we're gonna test drive it, settle the suspension, and then we're gonna see how much ground clearance I got from these tires. It's not gonna be much, but it is gonna be measurable. Okay, so here I have them on the truck. I went and just drove the truck around the parking lot just to relax the suspension. We don't want the suspension to be torqued at all after we drop it down the lift. I wanted this to be completely natural. Tires are filled to 35 PSI. We're gonna do a measurement of ride height again. And it looks like we're up, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 inch, maybe a little more than a 1/4 inch. So not much of a big difference on ride height change at all, or ground clearance at all. So if you're looking for this tire to change that a whole lot, it's not going to. You're definitely gonna need to do some type of lift kit, or the raising shocks that they sell, struts that they sell. So that is still okay. I think just with the extra grip and everything I'll have from these tires, I will get some advantage of using this truck on my property. But let's go ahead and get a wide shot of the truck so you can see how it looks on these tires. So here it is. It's a little bright out here, but this is what the tires look like on the truck. To me, it's much better than the factory wheels. Also, one thing I've noticed is the rim protection, very overlapped sidewall here on this tire. So curb protection, things like that, are gonna be better. But yeah, not much ride height difference, but definitely a little bit more off-road aggressive look. A lot of people have talked to me about this truck and they're like, oh, it's not really a truck. I said, it's a car trying to be a truck, or it's a truck trying to be a car, and I can't figure out which one is which, but I've enjoyed it so far. So I'm gonna go take a drive, take you along with me, and then we're gonna just check for noise, see how noisy they are, feel a little bit of how they handle. And I also wanna check the speedometer and see if there's any difference in any discrepancy in the speedometer and what I can get with my GPS speedometer. Okay, so I'm getting on the interstate right now, and I've had these tires for about 2 weeks now. And see, I'm merging on the interstate right now, so bear with me. With these tires, as far as speedometer discrepancy, which is always a problem when you change tires, the speedometer will read 70 miles per hour. You're actually going 72. I tested this with a GPS, and so right now I'm going 70 miles per hour, and the noise is, I mean, maybe just a slight bit more than the factory tires. I'll let you listen for a second. But stability, to me, they feel just like the ones that the Continentals that I took off. It's there's not much difference. Low speed, you know, as far as parking, things like that, you know, everything feels the same. Doesn't feel any heavier. You know, a lot of times when you go up on tire size, your car feels like it's a little bit heavier, stuff like that. These perform very well, and it's not a very aggressive tread pattern to cause any noise or anything like that. And these tires, they're smooth. They balanced out under an ounce and a half, which, you know, for a truck tire is very, very good. Most of them were 75 to an ounce. My highest one was an ounce and a half. So I'm pretty pleased with the construction of the tire. It's beefy, it's thicker than the Continental tires that came off. Doesn't make a whole lot of noise. The fuel economy did go down a little bit. And so with a heavier tire with a bigger circumference, that is to be expected. But overall, very pleased with the tire, and I would recommend these tires if you're looking for a tire with just a little bit extra for your Ford Maverick. I'm sure it would work even better if you had an all-wheel drive one. So I'm out here on one of the trails on my land, and the tires did absolutely fantastic through the back trails and everything else. There was no problem with grip. It felt actually a little bit better than my factory tires that I had on before. So I do believe this is a true upgrade for the Ford Maverick. And at a cost point, I paid $188 a piece for these tires. They installed very well. I think the most weight I had to add was 1.5 ounces to one of the tires. Most of them were 1 ounce, 0.75 ounces, things like that. So they balanced out really well on my road force balancer. And I mean, they're just great tires from what I can tell so far. Of course, time will tell. Once I put, you know, I may come back and revisit this review when I get 10, 20, 30,000 miles on it, to where I can be a little bit more experienced with my opinion on these tires. But I really don't think you can go wrong for the price. You know, there are nicer tires out there. I looked at the BF Goodrich's, I looked at the Goodyear Wranglers and things like that. And there's also some cheaper, you know, Chinese-made tires on Amazon. And I just figured I shot mid-road. This is about middle of the road price-wise. And I'm pleased with these tires so far. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And also leave me in a comment if you have a different set of tires that your Maverick came from. You know, share your information down below, because I do have viewers that are looking for other things, and this might not be for them, but maybe they're looking for something else, and your experience counts in that as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time on Auto Scholar with Mr. B.